I'm Jessie-May Rowntree. I'm Director of Admission and Marketing at Pickering College. Our school is located in Canada, a 40-minute car ride from Toronto and 40 minutes from the international airport. So we live in a very safe community, very close to a big city. We have 425 students at our school, from 4 years old to 18. Our international students start at our school as young as 12 years old, and we have 125 students who live at our on-campus boarding program. They come from 27 countries around the world. What makes our school different from other schools is that we offer a global leadership diploma. We really believe in educating global citizens. We want students to leave our school understanding that they have a responsibility to make the world a better place, to make positive change in the world. Having international students at our school is very important for our global leadership program. We want the world represented at our school, and so it's very important for us to have students from Italy join our school, particularly in our high school. The experience in the classroom, when you have a student from Italy, a student from Russia, a student from Germany, Bahamas, Kazakhstan, Spain, the discussion is very, very engaging and very meaningful for the students. And so we want Italy to be represented at our school. This is my first ETN event, and I must say I'm very impressed with the organization. I've had very good meetings with a number of agents, and I'm looking forward to working with the agent network here in Italy.